Hey everyone, good morning. So today I have some absolutely comfortable cotton casual wear collections for you guys. Now these are all daily wear collections. All the three pieces, which is the top, bottom and dupatta, are in mull cotton, and I will take you through each of these suit sets so that you can get a detailed look into the print and also the color. And I will be posting pictures separately of each of these suit sets so that you can also have a better look at the color, because videos in most of the videos, though I take this in the broad daylight, there can be slight changes when it comes to certain colors, because certain colors are very tricky and they may not appear exactly similar, but most of them would be the right ones. But I would also prefer you to take a look at the photo postings of each of these salwars to get the nearest best color of that suit. Okay, so video is mainly intended for you guys to get a closer look at the print and also the fabric type, because I mention it whether it's see-through with my hands placed underneath, so you get to know what exactly the type of fabric is. So that's basically what I intend out of this video previews. So let's get into these suits. The first one here is this a lovely white color. It's this perfect white colored cotton top where you have these prints. So basically these will be coming on the top, so you have to stitch it like this so that this becomes your top. Now as you can see, there is a small beautiful border out here, which is absolutely optional. You can use it for your sleeves, for your neck design, for your slit design, anything as per your choice. You can even do a pleated sleeves, that kind of that pattern that uses pleats. You can form pleats out of this border and make it for your neck, like a v neck or a square neck, or then for your sleeves also you can use it. It'll be very pretty. Now if you do not want that, you can absolutely omit that. So this is your top, a very beautiful subtle one. Now this cotton fabric is very light. It's very light. Okay, let me see. Yeah, this is your cotton fabric. It's very light. Now I would always prefer to use a lining, because uh, in that in that way the whole set will last for longer. But then if you do not want that that lining, if it's not very comfortable for you, you can omit it. But then since this is white, and if you do not prefer it to be very see-through, then I think you should go for a lining on this. So that's the I think the whole video is little dull because it's pretty cloudy outside, so maybe it's not looking very bright in this, but it's a beautiful white and a gray black combo. This is gray and this is a black print. This is white. This is your top, a gorgeous pretty top. And now let's go to the bottom, which I like the most, which is in stripes. Now you can easily stitch a cigar paddle bottom of your choice with this bottom. It will look very elegant and classy. And this is your dupatta, again in mull cotton. Now some of you may like this mull cotton fabric, which actually lies very soft on it. Some of you may like, but some of you like it a little stiff. So for those of you who prefer to wear it a little stiff, and in that way, you may have to dip this dupatta in a bit of stiff and shine at home itself. You don't have to take it anywhere outside. You can just simply dip this in stiff and shine and then get a good iron, and it will be a perfect dupatta. Because I always love to use the kota dupatta and the mull cotton dupatta with a little starch on it, because I like that feel of it. But I know many of you do not like that stiff look as well, so you can just leave it. So your whole dupatta is again in white with these simple buttas on the body, and the ends of the dupatta have the same print as that of the top. So this is your first piece in this beautiful white, gray, black and blue combo. It's a very subtle set. It's a very beautiful set, which you can team it up with some nice simple string of pearl if you like. Even your German silver accessories can go well with some nice jhumkas, and a pearl set or a German silver set, simple chain or jhumkas can do magic to this beautiful casual wear set. So that's the first one in white. The second one here is an all-time favorite for most of you. It's in methi shade. Okay, a mustard yellow methi color. That's the shade. I think it looks a little dark in the video, not sure. Okay, yeah, so this is the body with small prints, as you can see, in a combination of black. And this is your border here. Again, it's completely optional. You can play around with your creative side and get it designed, for your neck, for your sleeves, or for your slits, as per your choice. You can omit it if you do not want. Now that's completely up to you. Again, you can go for this fabric without lining as well, but with lining it will last longer. Now here what you see is the bottom of this top. So this print is your bottom. It's given along with the top inside. It's there inside. So that's the top fabric, again in cotton. Now I guess if you're not of a big frame, I guess if you prefer, you can even stitch a kurta with this bottom material and go for a plain black bottom, because this is just my choice. I mean, you can do it as per your choice. Now for me, this is also printed and this is also slightly big printed, so having it in a combo may look too crowded. So you can opt to stitch something with this bottom fabric as well and go for a plain black bottom with this, or you can even go for a nice green bottom to give it a good contrast, or just use a plain black bottom with this and use this fabric to stitch a small short kurti or a long kurti according to your body size. If the fabric fits, if the fabric the measurement fits your body size, you can stitch another top. So you can actually make use of this whole set. Now dupatta is again same mull cotton, absolutely soft mull cotton. Again, I would repeat, you can use a stiff and shine to give it a more that stiff and a very nice look if you want it that way. Else you can just leave it the same way. Now this is the dupatta. Again, the dupatta print is same as that of the bottom print. As I showed you earlier, the bottom is like this. So that's the same print given for the dupatta, and the ends of the dupatta will have the same methi, that mustard print as that of the top. And also this is the combination of the dupatta. Very gorgeous block printed summer sets, casual sets which you can just carry. Again, with this you can go with a nice black metal jewelry. That is depending on the age of the person who's wearing this set. You can just leave it just like that. If you are a young person wearing it, you can team it up with some nice black metal jhumkas or chains and or even bangles, and it will just give you a beautiful look to your daily outfit. So that's the second set, a lovely combo of mustard yellow and black and green and blue. So that's what I like about each of these sets here. I didn't want to bring to you something which is very common. Of course, these are there in the market, but I just wanted to bring something that is at least different in terms of the prints, in the patterns, or in the colors. So here you go. This is a third one which I really liked. Of course, the color is very common, but again, the one of the universal standard evergreen combination of a beautiful red and a nice green. Now what I really liked about this suit set is, of course, the prints that you see. It's kind of a bandhani, it's like that kind of a print on the body. Plain cotton top with plain bottom in cotton, soft cotton. The top, as you can see, is like this. It has a standard design all over the top. Now I like that print, I really like that print. It looks very different and nice for a daily wear casual. And of course, this combination of the dupatta with this shibori design, that's what brings in the uniqueness of the suit. Or at least to me, I kind of really like this combination of this shibori design on the body of the dupatta. The ends have the same print as that of the top, and it's so pretty. I really like that, that combination of that kind of bandhani and shibori design, and something different, from when it comes to, even if it is a very casual wear cotton set, that difference in the prints really makes the difference to your whole look. So that's about this suit set and why I chose this for you. Of course, the colors a common one, but don't you think it's very attractive? I really like that. And again, with this, you can, because there is a white, you can use a pearl, string of pearls. If you are a person who likes to keep it simple, you can go for a simple pearl jewelry. Or if, again, this is perfect for any black metal jewelry, like the German silver jewelry. You can go for a nice jhumka with some nice bangles. It'll look really pretty, na? I really like this combination and the prints. So here you go. That's the third one for you guys. And final fourth one, my most favorite combination here, which is actually in a nice teal green. Is that a teal green? Yeah, it's a very beautiful color. Now video, it is almost right. Yeah, it's almost right. That it's a teal green combination with a shibori design on the top. Bottom is again plain in a lovely pink shade, absolutely fresh summer pink. And this is the top, as you can see, with this shibori design on the top. See, for all these tops, you will have to go for a lining if you really want it to last and give it a good look. You can also leave it, stitch it without lining, but I leave it up to you after you check the fabric and how you would love to wear it, how comfortable you are with these. So I leave that decision up to you, but I'm just saying because I got to inform you about all this. So this is a plain bottom in this lovely pink, and here again, what I really like is the dupatta here. The previous one had the shibori design on the top, the red one. Here the pink has this bandhani prints on the top and a bit of the shiboris at the ends of the dupatta. So this is what I really loved about this sets, that it has that something unique and something different about the prints and the color combination. So that's exactly why I chose these for you, because and many of you had asked me for a low range cotton set. So all these 4 sets are below 1500. You can get back to me on WhatsApp or on Facebook or Instagram DM to get the price of these suits. All these are below 1500, and so for that rate I really wanted to bring into you something that is very something different in terms of color prints. So I hope you really like today's collections, and if you would like to purchase them, please get back to me on WhatsApp. The number is given in the description, and also get back to me on Instagram or on Facebook. So thank you guys, take care, and I'll be soon back with more collections, and stay safe. Bye bye.